Classic Tetris implementation built in Java using AWT for graphics. It starts in the Runner class, which launches a Tetris frame. This frame handles our main game loop in a separate thread. It manages the two most critical components, the grid, which stores the state of the fallen blocks, and the pieces, which are active blocks during falling. The piece logic is split across several files. Each specific shape, like the square of the L, has its own class, labeled piece 1 through 7. These classes store 2D integer arrays representing the shape in 4 different rotations: north, east, south, and west. The main piece class acts as a manager, randomly selecting a shape and starting a rotation, and tracks its position on the screen using row position and column position. The grid class is the brain of the board. It's a 20 by 10 integer array. It performs 3 vital tasks. First, it checks boundaries and checks fit to ensure pieces don't move through walls or through other blocks. Second, it burns a piece into the board onto the grid once it lands. Finally, it handles the 80-point requirement, clear full rows. This method scans for completed lines, removes them, and shifts everything down by 1 row. Movement is handled through a key listener. Players can move pieces left, right, or rotate them using the arrow keys. The down arrow triggers a hard drop that immediately places the piece at the bottom. To keep the game challenging, the get fall delay method increases the speed as your score goes up. Each piece placed adds to your score with a 10-point bonus for every line cleared. By separating the shapes, the board logic, and the rendering loop, this project demonstrates clean, object-oriented design in a fun, interactive way.